Hello everyone. Hello everyone. This is Harikesh Tripathi from CSE second year from Dr. AITH Kanpur. Now here, this is simple introductory video for Amazon Web Services Cloud Curve Capital. Now here I am discuss about types of AWS storage. Now first let us deep dive into why use AWS services. It is scalable and it is scalable, and AWS is lower the cost. Means if you use the AWS, it is minimize your cost and space minimization. Basically that's the reason for using the wide range of wide community, and mainly this used for the wide range of large companies. Next, types of AWS storage. What is the types of AWS storage? This will be five types: S3, EFS, EBS, Glacier, Snowballs. S3 stands for Simple Storage Services. EFS stands for Elastic File System. EBS stands for Elastic Block Storage. And next is Glaciers, or third and fifth is Snowballs. Now, I have discussed about the difference between block storage and object storage. What is block storage? Block storage can be accessed by the EC2 instances. It is not accessed by the randomly or from the internet from anywhere. Next, block storage will be divided the data for storing into evenly sized blocks. And the main reason is to divide the data for small chunks to store the data. If let us say example take, if you have storing large amount of data, which then this block will divide into small of blocks and then stores basically evenly sized of blocks. Block storage is suitable for transactional database random read or write data parallelly. Next I will discuss about object storage. Object storage stores files as a whole and does not divide them data into chunks, that is store the data as an object. The object is global ID, means AWS S3 whatever data you store, its name globally unique, not uploaded file or data which ID is same which present on AWS S3. It can be accessed by internet from anywhere by using HTTP or HTTPS URL. Next is simple storage S3. It is object level, as you discussed on the previous slide. S3 is a object level storage which store like music file or video etc file. If you uploading any file on Facebook, then it also use a simple storage S3. It can access from anywhere by the URL. Next, elastic file system. It is used mainly for Linux based system. Next, EBS, elastic block storage. It is block level storage. On the previous slide I will discuss about block level storage. It can be accessed by the EC2 instances only. Next is I have discussed about here Glaciers and Snowball. What is Glaciers? Glaciers is now converted into S3, which is basically it is merged from the S3 simple storage services. Glaciers access time little bit more and it store older data for longer time, and it can be accessed for the requirement whenever they are need. Let us take one example. When you access about the data like 1996 years and you want to access the data in 2024 years, then it can be accessed by the Glaciers. And Snowball is a petabyte scale data transport solution that is used secure applicants transfer large amount of data into and out of AWS cloud using Snowballs. Address common challenges with large scale data transfer including high network costs, long transfer times and security concerns. So this is about the Glaciers and Snowballs. Hope. Thank you for the listening.